Alright, so what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the video. Today we're at my boys Ralph's again, RMJ Motors if anyone wants to go for any of your car needs. Today we'll be installing I got a downpipe for my car. It's a Prl Catless Downpipe for my Type R, and we'll be installing it today. Yeah, sorry I haven't been making videos or haven't seen a video in a bit. I work full-time, so you know, I gotta work, make money to buy parts, and then also to install them. So yeah, but we're here at Ralph's shop. We're gonna get my downpipe installed. Hopefully it makes the car sound much better. I actually got a deal on a front pipe and a downpipe, but I'm not installing the front pipe. I want to thank you guys for watching the videos. We're almost at 200 subscribers. Views are doing well, and it's crazy, man. I didn't know people would be watching my videos, but thank you all so much for supporting me. Check out the shirt. It's a Raicer shirt. It's just a prototype for now. I just gave it to some of my homies to see how it fits, but eventually it will come. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Time's it. I got here at 5. I got here at 5, bro, and Ralph said get here at 5:05, and it's 9 o'clock. It's okay. It's okay, bro. It's okay. I'll just come for like 10, bro. Let's see if they snap. Alright, so update. After couple hours, it's 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock right now. Ralph was busy, so we're trying to take the downpipe off. 2 of the studs broke, but it's okay. I think it's supposed to be like that. They're supposed to snap. It's only like a one-time use kind of thing, but oh well. Ralph's the man. Ralph can figure it out, right, Ralph? This is content, right? It's content. Don't forget that. No, I got it on, but facing me. I heard it though. It's content, bro. Remember, guys, if you need anything, go to Ralph for everything. Oh, fuck. See? Out again. So downpipe is off, kinda. And all the nuts and bolts are off. Now the trim on the bottom is coming off, so they can pull it out. Imagine I have to do this by myself, bro. Fuck that, bro. Crazy. I like break my car.
I shouldn't have taken this job, but I was excited. He messaged me this morning. Alright,
Yeah, that's shitty, man. Gotta remove so much trim. The thing about this car is a lot of trim. Here it comes.
big this is.
Massive.
Oh, I gotta remove this.
That was a bitch.
Yeah, that's not the big part right now.
That's not the bitch part you said?
The big part is stuck.
Oh, the one that's stuck? What would you have to do to get that up?
Heat it up and then extract it out.
Oh yeah. Heat it up. Get those studs, those stuck studs out. Alright, let me get the downpipe. Time to get the downpipe. Oh boy. Nope. I'll buy eventually.
Eventually.
Yeah, seriously, I want something to blow up. I'll take my time.
Oh, wow. That's the hot side, right?
Yeah, it's the hot side.
That's what the turbo looks like, guys.
Turbo.
That's what the turbo looks like, guys. Yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that. Yeah, that's cute, bro.
Tiny turbo.
Fire.
brought my fucking...
Bro, you know if this does fucking explode, no matter how far you go, we're all dead.
No, not really. Wait, I'm gonna go to the other side just in case.
I'm just kidding, yo.
I don't fucking just fuck this guy, man. Alright, so we're at a standstill, trying to figure out a way. So we took off the hot side of the turbo, the manifold. So we have 1 and 2 studs that are stuck, and we're trying to get them out before we can install the new downpipe. It's 1:43, and we're still stuck in that one bolt. He doesn't want to go home. He doesn't want to call it a day. He just wants to get it done. But yeah, shout out to Ralph. Gotta go home, sleep, and then also get to work tomorrow. Oh my god. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys when it's done. It's officially 4 a.m. and he's done. Took way longer than expected, but it's okay. Right, Ralph? It was worth it. Spent time with my homie. It's like 4 a.m. I got work in 5 hours. That's fucking sick. Holy shit. Dude, that's good. That sounds so good. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so loud. Any engine light? Shit. Dude, that sounds insane. Alright guys, so it's a couple days later after I got the downpipe installed. I'm actually going back to Ralph's place right now. I'm actually working right now, so that's why I'm in a dress shirt and tie. But long story short, I think I have a boost leak. I can't go over 5 psi right now. Took my chances with the Catless Downpipe, that's why. But you know, it sounds really good. I'll give you that. I mean, you saw by the sound clip, it sounds wicked. But yeah, I just need to go back to Ralph's and see if we can get, you know, the downpipe situated. Because I know for a fact, well, I know by reading on some of the forums that you can run a Catless Downpipe without doing a tune, but it's obviously not recommended. But you know, I did it because I had it, and I took my chances knowing that I did it. So, but yeah, I didn't notice the boost leak until the very next day when we did it. I just wanted to go home because I was so freaking tired. It was like 4 a.m. and I felt bad for Ralph. So, all right, we're back. All right, so I'm home now. Actually, car works perfectly now. I'll give a huge shout out to my boy Ralph again. Yeah, she found the boost leak. So it's one of the vacuum lines connected to the like the wastegate actuator. So it melted, I guess. So, but yeah. Oh my god. Man, now I'm hitting proper boost. Hitting proper boost at like 23 now. But before I couldn't get over 5. But like again, huge shout out to Ralph. And yeah, the car sounds so good. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry it took so long for me to post another video. And we're almost at 200 subscribers, and I'd like to thank you guys for that. And I hope we continue to, you know, do more and get more subscribers and do more content. But peace out, and I'll see you guys next video. I love you guys. And thank you, and welcome to the Raicer channel. Ugh.